Single-ended hydroxypropyl silicone oil IOTA2050, also known as release agents, demolishing agents, and anti-graffiti additives, is a leading product in the silicone industry and shines brightly in the industrial field. It belongs to reactive single-ended hydroxypropyl silicone oil and is a key raw material for synthesizing silicone, polyurethane, polyester block polymers. In terms of properties, it is a linear organofunctional polysiloxane. It appears as a colorless or yellowish transparent oily liquid with good fluidity. The unique molecular structure of this silicone oil is its biggest highlight. One end of the organic silicon group endows it with excellent organic silicon feeling characteristics, making the contact surface smooth and comfortable. The other end of the hydroxypropyl group provides strong anti-graffiti ability. Compared with ordinary double-ended hydroxypropyl silicone oil, it is superior in terms of feeling and anti-graffiti effect, and can meet application scenarios with extremely high requirements for product surface performance. It also performs outstandingly in preventing objects from being scribbled and marked, reducing the cleaning and maintenance costs, and providing great convenience for the use and maintenance of products. It is a powerful assistant for improving product quality and practicality.